So for this particular split system here, we've been called in due to a smell that's been coming from the unit. Now, most of the time with a smell coming from the unit can either be from a drain that's been blocked up, or it could be from a dirty coil. With a dirty or blocked up coil, an issue we may face is inefficiency in cooling. We have gas that travels through the coil here, and just like a car radiator, the air flows through the fins. But if the fins are blocked up and it doesn't allow the air to come through, you lose that cooling effect. So what we're going to do today is we're going to strip this unit back down to its bare coil. We're going to put a cover around it. We're going to perform what's called an eco clean. As a part of maintenance, an important thing is to wash your filters. So we've taken these out here. There's a lot of dust building up inside there. If you move it with your finger, you can actually see it starts to flake off just there. So with your filters, it's very important to have these clean. You breathe this in every day. It's not only bad to smell, but it's also bad for your health. Once it's stripped down, we will put the cover around the unit. We're going to set up our eco clean system. So this here is our eco clean cover. This is going to sit around the unit, and as you can see with the elastic, it's going to hold it nice and tight up against the bottom of the unit to prevent any water leaking down the side. What's going to happen is as we spray and clean the unit, the water will drip into this drain here, which is fully adjustable depending on where we need to get to. The water will then run down this hose, set up inside of the bucket at the bottom of the ladder. So what we've got here, it's a coil cleaning solution. So first thing we're going to do before we get started is spray it all over the coil. We're going to let it sit for about 5-10 minutes, just let it really soak in and break down all the bacteria and mold that may be building up on the coil. And once that's done, we're also going to get to the coil machine here. We're going to give a good spray out and give it a nice thorough clean. We like to apply some deodorizer at the end of every job to leave a nice fresh smell throughout the building. So what we like to do, once we get these covers off, before we put them back on, we're going to give them a bit of a clean up, just to make sure that they look and smell nice, and then once it's all clean, we'll put it back onto the unit, and all done for the eco clean.